Hello everyone, Roshan Drives here, and in this video I'm going to be driving through crazy city traffic where there will be like crazy traffic, all the motorbikes, all the people on the road and so on. And I'll be also talking about clutch control and shifting gears while driving. Hope you guys will enjoy this driving video. So without further ado, let's get into POV driving and start today's video. So let's start the car. Let's put into first gear. Slowly release the clutch, gently give a gas. As the speed increases, I'll be upshifting into second. Notice on my left foot, okay guys, how I move my left foot. The road is very narrow and you guys can see the number of people, all they are walking on the road. The road is very narrow. I'm on second gear. Increase the speed of my car and upshift into third. But here I have to slow down, so I have downshifted into second and then downshifted into first. There was a big pothole there and I'm on second gear. Let's increase the speed and upshift into third. Here I have to slow down my car, so I have downshifted into second. Slowly release the clutch. You guys can see how narrow the road is and the number of traffics here. And look at this scooter, he's overtaking from the left side. You guys can see the condition of road here. I can't drive at high speed on this sort of roads. I've shifted into second. I have to be very careful. I must use the horn, otherwise the people they want to leave the road for me. So from here I'll be merging to the bigger highway. I'll be going to the right, so I have turned on the right side indicator. I need to be very careful because we can't predict what will happen next while driving in this sort of scenarios. I was in first gear, now I have upshifted into second. increase the speed, up shifted into third. Downshifted into second, and you guys can see the traffic here. Especially because of the motorbikes, it's very difficult to drive in this sort of scenarios, because all these motorbikes, they don't obey any traffic rules. They are just in a hurry. I have upshifted into third. Downshifted into second. I have to stop my car, so I will be downshifting into first gear, slowly releasing the clutch. So while driving through bumper to bumper traffic, I need to crawl at a very low speed, so basically I will be using the biting point of the clutch. Just like this in this road. We don't know who will cross the road or from where the motorbike will just come in front of you. So I have to be very, very careful. I'm in second gear and my speed is around 15. The road is very narrow, but the number of vehicles moving on this road is pretty high, so it's very difficult to drive in this sort of situation. And especially because of the lack of traffic rules, and they are not following any traffic rules. I must use the horn, because since the people they are not following traffic rules, so if I don't give a horn, then there might be an accident. I've upshifted into third gear. I don't think that I will be able to upshift into fourth. Instead, I think I should downshift into second now. My speed is around 20. It's very difficult to overtake here because of the traffic. So I must be driving at a lower speed here. Again, I'll be downshifting into second. Slowly release the clutch. Upshifting into third. So from here I will be going to the left, so I have given a left side indicator. Now look at here, guys. It's very dangerous to drive in this sort of scenario, and you guys can see the number of motorbikes. number of motorbikes is like crazy. My speed is around 20 and I'm driving on second gear. I have to stop down completely, so I have downshifted into first. Slowly release the clutch. Increase the speed. Now I have upshifted into second. Let's increase the speed a little bit more and upshift into third. Now I'm on third gear and my speed is around 40 km/h. Cruising at 40 km/h speed because the number of traffic is crazy and I cannot go more than this speed here. I have to slow down, so I have downshifted into second and my speed is around 20. You can see the condition of road. You don't know when the pothole will come in front of you. You have to be always careful. From here I will be going to the right, so I have given the right side indicator. Downshifted into first because I was almost stopping my car completely. Upshifted into third. So guys, this was all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed today's driving video. If you did, don't forget to like the video, and if you guys are new to the channel, consider subscribing. Here I'll be uploading driving related videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Until then, drive safe and take care.